In case some of you do have the same, you will see that they use the quick connect on the back. They plug in instead of screwing around. So to disconnect this one, what you do, you use a small flathead screwdriver and you're gonna push that in. Okay, you push that as strong that you can and you twist to get that all the way in. Some of them just go straight, some of them are more difficult, like in my case here. So in my case, I push in and then I twist. And when I twist a little bit, then it goes all the way in. Then I can disconnect the traveler wire easily. You see, now I was able to disconnect both of them. So you push your screwdriver, twist a little bit to get a hole. You will see that inside you have a hole. Your screwdriver has to come in and push that thing aside so that you can pull up your wire.